my name is Puangmaiming.
Hello, my name is Thanakrit Prakobsuk.
Hello, my name is Boonsiri.
Hello, my name is Boonjan.
Hello, my name is Sanklang.
Hello, my name is Tohom.
Hi, my name is pabao.
Hello, my name is Rotsart.
Why did you choose to join this club?
I want to share knowledge with people in the club.
Want to study about conservation of nature to go to camping activities.
I like nature to make me feel comfortable, relax, and make new friends.
Since humans are destroying a lot of natural resources nowadays, they want to help conserve them.
Today we will present about nature conservation and environmental development club.
The reason we choose this club is that are so many interesting things.
We are going to interview the president and member of the Nature Conservation and Environmental Development Club.
The reason for organizing the Nature Conservation and Environment Development Club.
The club organizes camp activity to conserve nature and develop environment. To create balance and abundance of forest floor, including wildlife, to exchange experience and knowledge of nature.
What activity have the club ever established?
This club has organized many activities สืบนะคะเสถียร event for the exchange of knowledge and information of the club, providing information on the history of สืบนะคะเสถียร and eat together, Thai the visit to receive a gift to welcome.
Common activity is an educational activity and conservation of marine nature is a camp for 2 days to arrange for those who are interested to join.
Activity going up and down. The hill is a 3-day camp that is organized to study the rule at the abundance of nature.
อารักเขา T005 activity is a camp activity for 4 days. A dam was built for the natural reserve area. Help to slow down fertility.
What are the rules for this club?
The rules of the club are: do not make noise after midnight, do not enter the club after midnight, do not meet up in the club area, and no smoking.
No gambling, keep keen to use the device. Must ask permission first. Separate and dispose of waste in the right time.
How can I contact to apply for membership in the club?
Contact via Facebook page and Instagram and fill out the Google form to become a member.
Where is the club establishment located at the university?
Enter through the division through the State Chamber of Man. Go staying a little future and you will find an activity village. The club is on the left side next to the Southern Club.
On another round, a little part Fishy team. Turn left, you will see Farm Department of Human Resource and Community Development. Your club will be the second club after the Southern Club on the right.
Let's have an interview with the president of the club. That in the future now the goal of the club are.
There will be activity for children and new members, and each activity is the race. Awareness of the conservation of nature. The main activity held every year is a 2-night camp in the year. When planning to go to Kamphaeng National Park, we'll take the kids go to explore and learn about nature.
I want you to invite younger staff to join the club a bit.
We invite everyone to be part of our conversation family. Come be a part of taking care of the nature of our country to come back as beautiful as before, and I welcome you all.
Let's interview the vice president of this club. Why are you interested in joining the club?
Interest in nature and the environment. Therefore, join this club to learn and study about nature so that we can continue to preserve.
What experiences have you gained from going to the camp?
And experience both gain knowledge, the beauty of nature, passion, helping each other various problems, and meet new friends who have gone camping together.
And let's ask the newly alright new member why they join this club.
The reason for coming in is because I want to study nature. Went to the forest to take care of nature and learn about conservation, environmental development personally. I am a nature lover, giving me peace of mind and also participates in various activities.
The Nature Conservation and Environmental Development Club Kamphaeng. Due to natural problems and problems of wildlife today, the club therefore organize activity to preserve nature and develop the environment to restore the ecosystem for the environment to create balance and abundance of forest for including wild animals to exchange experience and knowledge for nature. It also helps create a good concern for young people to feel more cherished by nature.
Activity performed in the club.
Activities that have been established. One inheriting activity, Sce.700 event for exchanging knowledge and information of the club, dissemination of news, information, history of Sce.700 and eat together, tie the list to receive a gift to welcome.
2. Much canal activity. It is an education activity and conversation of marine nature. It is a camp for 2 days to arrange for those who are interested to join.
3. Uphill and downhill activity. It is a 3-day that is organized to study the route and the abundance of nature.
4. Lockout 3005 activity. Is it a camp activity for 4 days? A dam was built for the natural reserve area. Health to slow down, fertility to stay with us for a long time.
Club Asset Rule.
1. Ask for permission whenever using the club. 2. Do not make loud noises after midnight. 3. Not go in and out of the main club at midnight. 4. Do not meet up in the club area.
5. No smoking. 6. Camping is prohibited. 7. Keep it clean. 8. Entering the device must ask permission first. 9. Separate and dispose of the right type of waste.
Interview with the club president. 1. Future goal of the club. There are activities for young people and new members, and each activity is to raise awareness of the conservation of nature. 2. Invite people to join the club. We invite everyone to be part our conservation family. Come be a part of taking care of the nature of our country to come back as beautiful as before, and I welcome you all.
1. Why are you interested in joining this club? Interest in nature and the environment. Therefore, join the club to learn and study about nature, so that we can continue to preserve. 2. What experience have you gained from going to the camp? Gain experience both gain knowledge, the beauty of nature, passion, helping each other, relish problem, and meet new friends who have gone camping together.
How to join club. Direction of the Conservation Club. Enter through the direction through the State Chamber of Man will be through the University Technical Assistance Center. Go straight a letter further and you will find an activity village. The club is on the left side next to the South Nature Club.
If entering to the front of the university, come to the faculty of fishery. It's going to be a little bit past the fishery team. Turn left, you will see the farm department of human resource and community development. Our club will be at the second club after the southern club on the right.
Contact
Facebook The Nature Conservation and Environmental Development Club กำแพงแสน Instagram อนุรักษ์ _KU Line @ กำแพงแสน 123
Why did you choose to join this club?
I want to share knowledge with people in the club.
I want to study about conservation of nature, want to go to camping activity.
I like nature to make me feel refreshed, relaxed, and make new friends.
Since humans are destroying a lot of natural resources nowadays, they want to help conserve them.
Time to question. Question number 1. How many activities does this club have?
Answer 1. สืบนาคเสถียร 2. Mud Canal 3. Uphill and Downhill 4. ลักเขา 3000
Number 2. How to join club?
Answer. The contact for the Nature Conservation and Environment Department Club are as follows: Facebook @Natural Conservation and Environmental Development Club กำแพงแสน Instagram อนุรักษ์ _KU Line @กำแพงแสน 123